Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this one, I'm going to do the charging speed test in the iQOO Z5 device after the recent Android 12 update. Yes friends, just a couple of days back my iQOO Z5 device did receive the Android 12 update, and today I'm going to do the charging speed test in this device. Let's see how quick the phone can actually charge to 100%. That's what I'm going to demonstrate friends after this Android 12 update. So with every software update there will be change in the charging speed, battery and the performance and everything. So in this video let's focus only on the charging. So how quick the phone can actually charge to 100%. Right now the battery percentage is exactly 1%. So I did select the balanced mode and there is no live wallpapers running in the background, no Wi-Fi, there is no mobile data enabled at this point. And I'll be using the default charger, which is 44 watts charger, which came along with the box as well. Same charger I'm gonna use right now. Let's see how quick the iQOO Z5 can actually get charged. 5000 mAh of battery capacity, so definitely it's going to take a lot of time as well. So let me need to connect the cable and plug point, and again I'll be back after some time. So let me connect the cable. So right now I'm trying to connect the adapter and it's kind of connected, and now we should be able to see flash charge indication. The stopwatch is also started, and as you can see the flash charge indication, it got detected as well, and now we got the speed reading exactly. So I will be back friends after 15 minutes of time. Okay, after 15 minutes we'll try to monitor the battery percentage and temperatures, how much it got increased. And right now it's only 27 degrees Celsius in the beginning of starting the test. My room temperature is only 26 degrees Celsius. Because there is no AC, there is no cooler, but because of outside very cool environment due to winter season, that's the reason it's very low temperatures. Again I'll be back after 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes we'll try to observe what's happening with the battery percentage and the temperatures. So right now as I can see friends, we are reaching exactly 15 minutes of continuously charging the iQOO Z5, and right now let me show you the charging percentage is about 37%. As you can see, just now it did reach up to 38% as well, so I'll try to write on the 38%. Anyway, in 15 minutes the phone charged only 38%. That's pretty low when considering the other smartphones which they are doing really great. But let's check out the temperatures. Is of 34 degrees Celsius and the back side 33. Overall the temperature of 34 degree is the highest. Again I'll be back after 50% when the phone get charged, and even after 30 minutes as well. Let's see friends how much more time the phone gonna take. So right now as you can see friends, the time is about exactly 30 minutes. In 30 minutes the phone did charge up to 63% in the iQOO Z5 device. As you can clearly see, 63% in 30 minutes of time, 63%, and phone charged to 50% around 23 minutes of time. As you can clearly see friends, 23 minutes of time the phone did take. So usually the phone takes about 21 to 22 minutes of time, but after the Android 12 update, these are the results which we got. And regarding the temperatures, 34.6 and the backs are 34. So overall it's 34 degrees Celsius. Regarding the temperatures, I will be back after 45 minutes of time to 84% after 45 minutes of continuously charging. 84% only the phone did charge, and temperature is about close to 32 degrees Celsius and backside 32.4 degrees Celsius. As you can definitely say friends, in the 2022 I don't think this much time the people will be waiting this kind of patience, but still the charging slowly kind of really good advantage, even though so it doesn't degrade or it doesn't affect much on the battery as well, because the phone has got 5000 mAh of battery capacity, and this is what the results are for the first 45 minutes of time. So we'll try to calculate friends. Let's see how much more time the phone gonna take. Usually it takes about close to I think 50 minutes of time as well, more than 50 minutes, 55 minutes as well sometimes. So that's what I'm expecting. So 5000 mAh battery divided by 55 minutes, so 90 milliamperes per minute the charging speed in the iQOO Z5. So same 5000 mAh of battery in the Realme GT Neo 2, which can charge in 36 minutes of time, 138 milliampere speed in the Realme GT Neo 2. So these are the speeds are, and I will be back after some time, just maybe 99% when the battery gets close. Then we'll try to see the time, how much time it actually takes. So right now as you can see friends, the time has been more than 1 hour. So more than 1 hour the stopwatch has been completely kind of reset. As you can see, you can clearly see the charging battery percentage. Right now it's about I think close to 99%, exactly 99%. It's been exact 1 hour and 1 minute of time. You can clearly see on the top of the stopwatch as well. Right now we charge it to complete 100%. As you can see friends clearly. So it did take about close to 61 minutes of time. 61 minutes to charge completely the iQOO Z5 device, and the temperature is about close to 30 degrees Celsius at the end of the charging test. As you can clearly see, not bad. So definitely friends, this is the kind of really huge time, I would say, long time. 61 minutes for the 44 watts charger, which we can definitely understand. I did expect the iQOO should have included the 66 watts charger. That could be really great deal for this kind of huge battery capacity. But let's say in the next, maybe next version of iQOO Z7 model, or maybe iQOO Z8, they might be able to release with those. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this quick details on charging speed on the iQOO Z5 after the Android 12 update in this iQOO Z5 device. Let me show the Android 12, which you can definitely see here. Android 12 which has been updated. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.